we're already rolling. I'm disappointed, bro.
Why?
Look at this shit, bro.
It's disgusting.
And like, there's like tree sap at my house, bro. That's like falling on the car, and I don't know if that's like sticky. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's like stuck on there. But anyways, what's good, guys? I know it's been a while. I feel like we start every YouTube video. Marco, when was the last time we posted a video? It's true. But we're almost at 97K subscribers. And I was thinking yesterday, I don't know what direction I want to take this YouTube channel. I don't know if I want to just do 100% vlogs and trading content I'll post somewhere else, or do like one video vlog, one video trading. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But today's a very exciting day because we're about to head over to Lamborghini and order the new Revuelto replacement. How do you say it? Revuelto? Revuelto.
Bro, you didn't know the name of the car until yesterday.
I didn't. But I've been waiting for the car for a while so I could place my order. And obviously with Instagram going crazy yesterday, the dealership calls me like, you need to come ASAP, place your order before we can't give him any more out. So we're gonna go. The thing is, I'm still contemplating what type of spec I want to order in my head. I mean, I know I'm not gonna get the car for like a few years, but what do you think? Like a year or two?
Probably, yeah.
I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. I can't wait for the car to be here. I mean, it's gonna be a minute, but I'm thinking in my head what type of spec I want. I don't know what type of spec I want. I guess it's gonna be, cause I already did the blue on blue with the Urus. I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to go and see. Yeah. But other than that, bro, let's go, bro. Sorry, let's get this done. Yeah. So we just got here to Lamborghini Broward. They've got a lot of inventory because over the last few months they've had like, they're sold out on everything, right?
They just have Uruses.
Yeah, I think people are starting to get rid of cars because of the state that the economy is in and going. So we'll see. There's a 765 there, bro. Very, very nice car. Very, very nice.
It's a gecko green.
Alright guys, so really quick, the live trading room actually launched last week. So far it's been a major success. We go live 3 times a week on Zoom with the entire live trading room group. So if you guys want to trade live with me at least 3 times a week, you guys can check out the link that I have down in the description. This is everything that people have had to say about the live trading room so far. I'll give you guys a little quick snippet of what the live trading room actually looks like. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna go downstairs, grab a drink. I will be looking at short NASDAQ if we break under support. So maybe looking for a setup that looks something along the lines of this. I mean, long-term targets would be targets all the way down here. I'll probably be looking for a setup like this if NASDAQ does end up breaking under support. But I'll be right back. Stay on the lookout for this. I'm up. No. I'm up. I'm 20,000, not 200. Literally, bro. Look at this. This is literally my position right here. As price broke is when I got in. Stop start at break even. If price starts to pull back more than 50% of this current candlestick, you round it out. Secure some more. I don't want my runner to completely not make any. And for those of you guys that want to join the live room, trade with me live at least 3 times a week, get access to webinars, make sure you guys check the link down in the description. Other than that, let's get back to the video. Was that you?
No.
Was that you?
If it was a dick or a pussy, was good. See this Lewis here?
Yeah.
There's shape as the McLaren logo.
Yeah, I peeped.
Oh, look at the monocoque. You can see the monocoque.
Mono what?
The what cock? Monocoque. The solo cock?
You say monocockpit.
No, bro. Monocoque. Monocoque. Video. Everybody got. We came here to pick up as a McLaren.
No, I'm still ordering the Revuelto. The 812, but it's not a. I thought it was a Nova. I thought it was an N Largo. If it was an N Largo, I probably would have bought it, but it's not an N Largo. Yeah. It's just a regular Novatec Aero kit. But it sounds ridiculous, bro. When I tell you ridiculous, like ridiculous.
Oh, the HREs, that's fire.
No, but I don't like the wheels. Right?
What?
The wing in the back probably looks way better up. It's not even that loud.
No, it's not.
I'm getting older, Raul.
No, but you know what's funny, bro? Look at Raul, how he knows that he's ordering one of these. He's just clicking all the buttons.
Yo, oh shit.
Let me see. Would you get? Did you get a spider? Yeah.
Man, the wing is
Yo, do that again.
Yo, make it go up again.
Hey, yo.
Wing. Wing.
Oh, okay. You like it?
I do like it. Am I in love with it? I don't know.
I don't think it's the color for you. That's why it's not hitting you.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Come on, don't go.
These are the regular ones, right?
Listen, don't go crazy on it. Pick what you think you want as far as the color, and we can change it.
Okay. Is this like silver?
That is silver, yeah.
Ah, never mind.
It's a real silver.
It's nice.
Yeah, no.
It's like that silver in the wall.
Yeah.
Upright.
True silver.
So it's like almost brushed aluminum type.
On that one, yeah. It's probably one of the matte. It's a matte.
Right?
I mean, look right there.
Oh,
Oh.
my god, that shit looks disgusting.
With the orange, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
you could always
I
wrap
don't know. I feel like I want to kind of go with a blue too, because in my head it's like. Let's check out the other colors. What is this? Is it a new palette? Oh, it looks good. The thing is, I don't know if I want to go like a crazy exotic color, or kind of do something like
I feel
a
like,
little
bro,
chill. You
it's-
know what I mean? But chill, but like hard.
It's a hybrid. So
Yeah, right.
So it still drives in battery for like 12 miles, I think.
I think I'm in between this one and the matte
It
black.
has to be matte black. For me, matte black.
Yeah.
What do you think,
You know what,
Stanley?
let's build it with matte black
for
first.
sure.
Manuel?
Bro, did you see the pictures online of the matte black one?
Yeah, but you
Bro,
can
that shit looks
wrap it.
disgusting.
But no,
He's right.
I mean,
Do you know how cheap is it to wrap a car? Matte black.
All right, let's build the matte black for now. If anything, I'll go back into it. This is the Revuelto. How many Huracans are in this one car? No, for real though.
Not wrong.
All right, let's check it out with the silver.
silver looks nasty, bro.
You know what? The black you can't appreciate the
Polish.
polish much, bro.
Ferrari.
That's what Grigio.
But that's like
It's
a
super light silver.
yeah.
Super
That's
light
like a
silver.
light gray
almost
though.
a white,
Almost white. Okay, that's dope.
and a ton
Okay.
of metal like in it.
Bro, and do like a deep red interior, like all red.
I don't know. I was thinking I kind of want to go with like a blue or a white. Let's check the
Yo,
class.
that would do it. So
Blue
interior.
These are all matte.
Yeah,
Matte white.
those are the technical ones.
Matte yellow. What about matte gray?
Yo, but how after they launched the Aventador, how long after did it take
Let's
to
check
launch
the-
the Roadster?
Oh, they have matte, bro. They have matte.
I would hope
It's like a
6
matte blue
months.
Cepheus.
Oh, 6 months?
I would hope.
Let's check.
We'll see that.
But that was in a normal market in normal times.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, that's
Nice.
matte.
That's really nice.
That's matte.
That's really nice.
But the orange is nice.
That is. I don't know about the orange. I think I'd go like a white interior.
Yes, bro. White interior.
I don't know.
Change
I'm
the
kinda
bronze to
leaning on the
silver.
blue now.
Change the
check.
rose to silver.
Let's check blue Cepheus.
Everybody's got blue silver.
Yeah, right. Everyone's fucking.
Interior?
There
I
has
feel
to
like
be
the
white.
map.
Nah,
Yeah.
the matte looks cooler.
Yeah, it does. It's definitely gonna be more rare. All right. So the last time I saw the exterior was what was it, blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I changed the exterior because I want the blue Cepheus interior, but then they have a new color option for the interior, which the whole interior. Let's see what it looks like. This is white. Apparently the website's super fucking slow because there's like tens of thousands of people trying to order one, and then there's just like tens of thousands of other people trying to like just manifest ordering one, you know? So yeah, the website's a little slow right now.
That's a good way to say it, though.
Yeah, alright, let's see the white, bro.
Still loading.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Well, thank you, Bill.
I don't know how I feel about it. Thank you, bro.
Bro, that looks gangster, bro. If every other black part was white,
I don't know, but what do you
like
think?
No.
full white,
No?
Flaco.
Yeah, I'm not
It
in
makes
love
me
with
think
it.
of the
doesn't do anything.
Countach.
Yeah, nah, I'm not in love with it. Wait, let's go back here.
Speaking of
I think I like the sports trim. These are basic, right? Yeah, uncolored. Yeah, let's go back to the sports trim.
yeah, the sports trim get more colored.
Yeah, bro.
A lot.
No. You get
It's
less
contrast.
color, but yeah.
more
Blue
contrast.
Cepheus. The blue Cepheus interior is hard, bro.
I agree.
Yeah. Let's see.
So you're saying?
Yeah, bro. Look at this.
Yeah, I would go
So
with
much
that.
better. And then with this exterior, bro.
The
Let's see.
Grigio Haiti.
Yeah, bro, so much
Yeah,
better.
rotate it around so maybe you see the blue one.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the right angle.
Did they
Right,
make
there you
them
go.
with full glass roofs?
Yeah, bro. I think that's hard, bro. Black
the one?
interior.
Yeah, I
I
like
think
that
this is I have a dilemma. If you guys remember my first SVJ, it was black with gray. But now, all right, Bill, you tell me what you think. What did you think about this? So we got the blue Cepheus interior, the blue seat belts, but then what if we go to exterior here? Let's go to paint. Let's go to here. Let's look at the matte black. With that interior, I think that would be disgusting.
There's a lot of contrast. It's nice.
Let's see. More lying about this website being slow, bro. That's a hard one,
And
right?
this is yours. Don't leave it out.
Alright, thank you. Nice.
Damn, you know what's crazy?
Damn, bro, it's tough.
You
I don't know, guys.
remember what I told you? Like, to just picture yourself in a car, and you said like it would be like Batman's car.
Bro, that's the Batmobile right there with the blue Cepheus interior, bro. The blue seatbelts.
And that's a nice homage to the original SVJ.
Yeah, it is, right? Then like, cause then I could kind of almost go with like the same like color pattern. You know what I mean? Like if I do aftermarket wheels and stuff.
You can revive the.
Now you're gonna get to have the car.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yo.
Cause it comes with a little toy car. Yeah, but I'm not a big fan of wrapping cars anymore. So it's like once I'm picked, that's it.
I like this stuff.
What are the cons of matte black versus?
It's dirty. That's it.
Yeah, the pros, you're gonna look badass. At night, it's gonna be dope. During the day, it's gonna look dope.
Bro, I can imagine that thing slammed on the floor, bro. I think, yeah, bro, with that interior goes crazy,
Yeah,
bro.
with the blue
The
Cepheus.
interior with the black, that's a nice contrast. Especially if I paint the calipers black as well. Alright guys, so this is the final, let's go over here, let's put this down. Alright guys, this is the final spec that we went with for the Revuelto. Right, so we went with the matte black paint with the bronze wheels. Because I figured anyways, like, I'm gonna get aftermarket wheels regardless. For those of you guys that remember my first SVJ, I think that's kind of like the throwback that I want to go towards, which actually, I think there was a picture here that I saw. I don't know where it went. It's right here, whatever. Disappeared. But matte black paint, bronze wheels, and then I don't know if they show a picture of the interior. They should. But whatever, you guys can kind of see the interior there. I went with a blue Cepheus interior, which for those of you guys who've been following me for a while, you guys will know the blue Cepheus, right, is the color that I went with for, what's it called?
Urus.
The Urus, right? So it's the same color for the interior, and I can't wait. I have no idea when the fuck the car's gonna get here, but it's crazy. Oh, let's go check out this Urus.
I know yours. Well, that's nice.
Oh, it's the 23? It's
Yeah.
an S. Alright, babe. This one's an S. It's a brand new one. Great exterior.
Okay, you got the piece. Damn, this looks different.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Raul, it's not for sale, but it's for sale.
It's got the Travis Scott interior.
I like the interior.
Damn, bro, I fuck with
like
the
the
interior, bro. It's hard.
I like it.
I love it.
Yeah, I like it. I don't know if she'll like it.
Don't ask her.
I just did.
The interior version is the
Oh, that's dope. Urus S. Oh, they changed the...
The cluster?
Yeah, a little bit. Changed the cluster a little bit. So you guys already know, I ordered the Revuelto, right? And since my wife is about to give birth, she doesn't have a car, I decided I was going to buy a car. I already knew I was going to get her a car that obviously would be both of our cars, but I was going to wait a little bit longer, but the opportunity was there. I got it for a great price, which was a brand new 2023 Lamborghini Urus S, which you guys will see in a second. But since she's about to give birth, I said, you know what,
Might as well.
Might as well, you know. Life is short. So yeah,
So you came to reserve a car,
I did. I came
and I saw.
I built my car, and then yeah, I mean, what a perfect time to get my wife a push gift, right?
I don't think you understand the meaning of window shopping.
No.
Well, I mean, as you guys can see, we're in the new Urus. It's a very elegant interior. Is that the right word, Baca?
Yes.
Oh, it's just my wife's calling me. Babe, where you at? So, very unexpected day. Would you say that, Baca? I did not come here planning on getting her a car at all. But honestly, right, the price was right. It's a beautiful car. And on top of that, like, the timing couldn't be any more perfect because our daughter's about to be born. And I feel like this is more than a great push gift. You know what I mean? So, it's great. And I like it, bro, because it allows me to have like a different option than driving the Cullinan or the SVJ or the SF90, something in between, where, you know, this one I could rack a miles because obviously, you know, so I don't put too many miles on the Urus. It's nice to have some form of diversification, especially to SUVs now. We got the car seats that I got to install, and yeah, bro, I mean, I think it's perfect. I think she's really gonna like it. I think so. The interior's clean. I've never had like an elegant interior like this. This is like an older person interior, you know what I mean?
You did have an elegant interior on the Rolls Royce.
The orange?
Yeah.
You think that's elegant? I think it's more sporty, no?
No, it's like, it's, you know, you got the most expensive leather. That, by the way, was covered in champagne, fucking tequila all the time.
Yeah, we had a crazy summer, bro. We had a really crazy summer.
Thank God we got old.
Yeah, bro, I keep forgetting that we're like actually getting old, bro. Like, for some reason in my head, I'm saying, bro, this person doesn't know how to drive. Like I was saying, for some reason in my head, bro, I feel like I'm still like 22, 23. And it's like, damn, bro, I'm about to be 25. That's a big difference.
It is a big difference.
I'm fucking 5 years away from being 30. Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
It's okay, the 30s are the new 20s.
I mean, we're set, so
Yeah.
we're good. All right, so we're here picking up my wife. What she has not seen yet is this brand new push gift I just got for her. 2023 Lamborghini Urus S, brand new. Yo, 40 miles on it. Let's see what she's gonna think.
Hi, Nicole.
Hello, Gonzalez.
Qué linda.
You like your push gift?
Oh my god, ¿eso significa que tengo que pushar, juro?
Yeah.
Ya no puedo tener cesárea.
No C-section, you gotta push now.
Oh my god.
It's nice, right?
Te doy una vueltita.
Let's see. Damn.
Mira, chulis.
Brand new 2023 40 miles La Creta. I think it was a success.
Thank you.